Today we're gonna make our fan favorite Philly cheesesteak sliders. All right, first up, we're going to caramelize some onions. This is probably going to be the longest part of this process. You want to caramelize them nice, low and slow. I personally like to cut the onion just this way, kind of with the grain of that onion. Gets you nice, thin, separated slices. We're just gonna put that in our skillet on the stove with a little bit of butter and let those caramelize nice and slow. Next, while our onions are caramelizing, we've got our skillet here getting nice and hot. You wanna see a little bit of smoke coming out of that so that we can get some good caramelization on our meat. I've got our Snake River Farms New York steak slices, which I've patted dry. Hit it with a nice little sprinkle of our Jacobsen salt and right into that hot pan. And then we can hit that other side with a little seasoning as well. As your slices come off the heat, go ahead and get your cheese and just pile it on top of the warm meat. That'll get it nice and melty for our sandwiches. All right, now that we've got our meat all finished, our onions all caramelized, and our Dijon Aioli, time to assemble the sandwich. We've got our brioche slider buns. We're just gonna put a nice little dollop of that Dijon Aioli on top. Get some of these slices pulled together. Go ahead and top that with our nice caramelized onions. And there you've got one of our favorite Snake River Farms sliders.